Welcome back to Daytime Live. The Miss Universe Jamaica pageant happens on Saturday, August 9th. This is this Saturday. And here to tell us more about it is Mark McDermott, National Director of the Miss Universe Jamaica organization and President of Atelier Dermot Williams Limited.
That's a mouthful.
I got that.
You're absolutely correct.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So, Mark, how many years has it been since you've taken over the organization?
2013. What's that?
2013.
2013. Can I define
12.
12.
12.
12.
I went to school.
Yes,
12
yes,
years.
12 years. But the funny thing is, we've had 13 representatives, but it's 12 years anniversary-wise since we've been steering the ship of the Universe organization.
Can I be so bold, just for a second? I'm going to be
so
bold. I feel like you always have beautiful women.
Okay.
But I feel like this year, like normally I can pick out a good 8 or 10.
Year, can you?
I can always be like, them 5, and them I go in. But I feel like this year, I can't call it. All of them kind of like...
Big up yourselves.
Big up yourself, ladies. All right, say it, Doctor. Say it, Doctor. Say what you're going to say. I said it nicer.
She's trying to look back at your friendships because you're on my side. I was the one who said it to Mark first. Yeah. Mark, wasn't I the one who said it to you?
But I don't know the discussion that you had
Mark.
previously.
See, you're good. See?
Right?
Don't try to get him.
Mark, may I fire you? But this year, what can we expect from the finals? And let us know where is it?
Absolutely.
And what's the cost to get in?
Well, it's interesting that you say the crop of young ladies because that's true. It's 30 contestants we started out with. We now have 27. We lost 3, and I don't like saying lost because they didn't die. But for one of the contestants was injured. 2 were injured actually, and 1 had challenges, and so we're down to 27.
Life. Yeah,
life happens.
Right.
The great thing is that this is it's an amazing lineup. I mean, you look at the ladies, and it's just an amazing lineup of personalities, beauty types, occupations, interests with the advocacies, and just a range of amazing women.
Mark.
And so one of the things we're doing this year is we're showcasing them in all their beauty. So the show is going to be focused entirely on the ladies and Rachel Silvera. Rachel is our reigning Miss Universe Jamaica. And I don't think Jamaica understands the gem that Rachel really is. Rachel is a showgirl.
Bless you.
Rachel enters a room and she lights it up. She is amazing. So we want to put that in its most brilliant, absolutely, with the ladies in their amazing evening gowns, in their amazing swimsuits, with the amazing fitness forms, the opening number, and a little surprise with a few ladies. They're going to do a little thing, and so we want to showcase that in its entirety this year, and that's something that patrons can.
Where's it going to be?
It's the AC Kingston Hotel, 8:30 p.m. in the ballroom, and it's amazing.
Yeah.
Tickets are 8,000 pre-sold for general admission, 10,000 at the gate, 12,000 pre-sold for VIP, 15,000 at the gate. Tickets are available across Kingston, Montego Bay.
We have a giveaway for those at home as well, so we're going to tell you a little bit more about that. So, Mark.
Yes, ma'am.
You speak about the ladies and showcasing them in all their beauty and the array, and you've made all these fabulous changes.
Yes.
But you've introduced no age limit element to the competition, and of course our Bobby is here.
Bobby.
Tell us about why, when, how is that going? What informed that decision? Okay, Bobby.
We didn't do the change. The Universe, the parent corporation did that. But I think it came about as a trend that was necessary. You know, the fact is that women have a range of career cycles. And when you are telling a woman that, it's almost as if you're telling her that she's not beautiful after 30.
Yeah, you pass your prime.
Exactly.
Yeah, say you're not good no more, go sit down.
And that is, the truth couldn't be further from that case. And so the new paradigm of no age, no upper age range 18 is the lower age range, but you can be 118.
Yes.
And so you can go into your career endeavors and come back as attorneys, as doctors, as scientists.
Right.
And I think you're armed better with a core of life skills, of performance skills, and all these skills that you showcase to your best advantage.
Yeah.
So it's every advantage. But I mean, Barbie can tell you more.
Yeah, Barbie.
Barbie Mudahay.
I don't know Barbie. This is the first we're meeting.
Ever.
I somehow don't believe
She's
that.
not in the industry at all.
Right. Barbie, why take on this challenge, this opportunity now, and how is it going?
Well, why not, really, is the question. And it's the answer also. Why not take it on? I am 50. I just turned 51.
51?
Actually, yes, 51. Thank you, Mark.
To be exact.
I'm healthy. I've lived on this earth for half a century plus a year, and I have a lot of experience and I have a lot to give. But in addition to that, I also had a lot to get from this pageant that I was not even prepared for. So I've grown in a lot of ways. I've developed more, and it's been an amazing experience just being amongst these ladies. It's something that it's priceless. You don't get sisterhood like this anywhere else in life. I can't imagine where else I would have run into this many ladies and been so close with them at all. So.
Thank you, Barbie.
And I'll just tell you too that the good thing about that dynamic is what she lends to the women in the competition who would not have been as experienced and have not lived through the experiences that she has. It's amazing.
Wow.
And someone, Simone, asked, for example, we roomed the contestants when we went to the Princess Resort, and the ladies have been asking, okay, why did I get this roommate? Because you didn't have the opportunity to pick your roommate.
Got you.
And it's interesting. I want Simone to speak to that later on, maybe, as to, you know.
You see, Mark, I love what you're trying to do, but we want more time. So we're running out of time in this segment, so we're going to speak to the ladies and get to know them more in the next segment. Before I jump over that, quickly, just tell us what your social media handle is, so persons who are watching can come and follow you guys. Just
Artificial Miss Universe Jamaica, and that's our Instagram handle, and that's where we have most of our information. So please feel free to come on over, and you'll get to follow the ladies, see their journey, and
I love that.
See where our tickets are, or ticket outlets, for example,
on Sunday,
and all those
on August 9th.
Saturday, August 9th.
Saturday, August 9th.
8:30 p.m. at the AC.
Thank you so much, Mark.
welcome
Thank
so
you, Barbie.
much.
We'll talk more to the ladies
Alrighty.
in a second. On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. But don't worry, the pretty ladies are still with us. You get a chance to talk more to them and Mark and everybody when we come back after the break. We'll soon go.